5 things I should have learned before starting as a freelancer. Number 1, I should have enough emergency funds saved. As you already watch from the other freelancers, content creators, you will experience feast and famine in freelancing. It is not like the 9 to 5 job wherein you'll get the same amount of salary in the whole year. So if you are beginning in freelancing journey, please save enough amount of emergency fund for the famine season. Number 2, I should start being consistent promoting my business in social media to have good flow of client stream. Suki na ata ako ng pagiging overthinker at anxious person. I always get anxious whenever my clients finally ended their contract because of change of circumstances. Like today, my 2 clients is resting for now because one just had her first baby and the second, she's taking a break because she just got married. So if you are in the beginning stage of your freelancing, plan ahead where you will get those clients. Number 3, I shouldn't be contented with just one client only. Connected ito dun sa second reason ko. So, all in all, I have 3 clients. Buti na lang may isa pang natira kasi kung hindi, ngangana ako. But when taking more clients simultaneously, you should consider if you will accommodate them fairly and you have enough time to handle them. Unless you can delegate those tasks. Number 4, have multiple income streams. As I said, freelancing is not a stable job. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. What if magkasakit ka, di mo kaya makapag-work? So dapat mag-isip ka ng paraan na magkakaroon ka ng passive income. Number 5, I should have act early. Ang dami ko na nakikitang advice na don't lowball yourself o kaya set an onboarding system. At yung isa sa pinagsisisihan ko talaga ay dapat noon palang naging consistent na ako sa pag-show up at pag-leverage ng sarili kong social media platform. Kasi doon ka talaga makikilala ng mga clients o kaya makapag-build ka ng credibility that you can really handle your account. So, be an action taker, act accordingly. Follow for more!